How to factory reset a Whistler WS1040 scanner or a lot of other models of the Whistler scanners back to its out-of-the-box factory defaults as a troubleshooting step if it's not working right, or if you're just trying to get this set up as new. It's very simple to do. We're going to go through it right now. First things first, you should save your working memory to a vScanner folder if you want to not lose that working memory, because this particular folder is protected from this factory default. So once we do that, all we need to do is turn the scanner off and then turn it on again. And once that welcome or owner screen comes on, we're just going to go ahead and press the 0 on the scanner, and we should get this screen here that says system test. Select a test, exit if no keys pressed, and when we see that screen, we'll press 1. Once we get that, we'll get the factory initialization erase memory, enter if approve, clear to exit screen. So now if you want to do it, you know what to do. You're just going to press the ENT button, the enter button, and the system should then display file system initialize to defaults. Press any key, and then once we press any key, it will go ahead and reset the scanner. All of the global parameters will be reset back to the factory defaults. You can go ahead and set this scanner up basically like it's a brand new scanner.